Okay. My wife went out there and was doing the garbage, and as soon as she crosses the line of the back of the garage, a UAP, I'm sorry, takes off into the air, and it like shoots up and kind of does a jagged thing or something, and shoots up. Well, here, I'll let you watch that. This is full speed here. There it is. See, that is a weird motion, and it faces the same direction the entire time. You can, sorry, you can see her. There, she goes back past the garage, and right there, that thing shoots up and does a weird motion. And when I zoomed way into it, it almost looks, I mean, like an RC helicopter of some kind. You know, it looks really like that thing that is on the Egyptian hieroglyphs. So, and I've got a picture of it before in the daytime, and I was wondering if that was really, you know, as you do, if that was what you got, but, or if it was a blurred bird or something like that, but no. This thing stays like that. You can zoom right into it, and that's literally what it looks like the whole time. So, here, let me go in a little bit and see if you can see it better. She's going back. Come on. There. See that? There. That blur real quick was a bag in front of that went in front of the camera because she was doing garbage. Okay. Watch this. There it is. That was 1/4 speed, so. Okay. I appreciate you guys' time, man. Thank you for watching.